Well, two things no sa nabanggit mo. Malaking bagay yung pag-strong start namin. And that's been rare for us, not only in the UAP but really the whole year, whether it's a tune-up game or a regular game. So malaking bagay 'yon. But at the same time, yung pag-sustain namin nun. But I thought our defense was able to hold up until the end. Gotta give it to NU as always. There's a reason why they're the number one team. So, yung mga, just like NU, alam naman natin na there's no safe lead and, napatunayan nila yun. It's a good thing that we were able to hold our own and execute in the end.
Thank you. To Harold, you had 24 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steals, laging made a lot of crucial shots in the payoff period. So what can you say na, anong ginawa niyo habang yung humahabol yung NU? Anong masasabi mo na sa team nyo na despite na humahabol ng NU, nagawa niyo kumapit hanggang sa dulo?
Siguro sa veteran din sa senior na din sa team, kailangan lang ng composure. So yun lang din yung parang nabigay ko sa team, makita nila yung veteran nila or senior nila, nakikita ang compose. And parang mahawa-hawa na yan pag gano'n.
Well, let's just say na we didn't have the best practice last night, and I hope that that's not the reason why, But again, every practice, every game is a new day, as we always say. And kay Coach Gold kasi ang importante how the players would respond, even if it was just a so-so practice last night. So the players responded, and yung start namin was sort of like a testament to that. And then they were able to weather the storm. So ang laking bagay nung depensa namin, and at the same time, yung nabanggit ni Harold, yung composure namin. So laging in-emphasize si Coach Gold na kahit gaano ka-physical ng laban and then you're not getting the calls, just continue to play on and maintain your composure. And yun ang pinakita especially nung last 5 sa loob ng fourth quarter.